Hey guys, it's Mrs. J enjoying this beautiful weather that Texas finally gave to us. So I figured today we would do a little bit of math madness since we don't have March Madness right now. So today we're going to learn how to solve a two-step equation, okay? So we have 2x plus 4 equals 12. The first thing you want to make sure you do is you draw a line between your two sides of the equation. Because whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. The equation always must stay equal. So the first thing we're going to do after that is we're going to take the number that's by itself. Because here we actually have two numbers, and here we have one number. So we are going to take this one number that's called a constant, and we're going to go ahead and get rid of it by something called inverse operation. So if this is a plus 4, the way we make it 0 is by doing minus 4. And remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other, because it must stay equal. So whatever we do here, we're going to do to this side over here. Now, positive 4 minus 4 gives you 0. So now that side, that 4 is gone. 12 minus 4 is going to be 8. So we're going to go ahead and write that right there. We're going to bring down what's left. 2 times x equals 8. Now notice how I said 2 times x. So because we did the opposite up here, we're going to go ahead and do the opposite operation down here. So if I have 2 times x, the opposite of that is going to be division. So we're going to go ahead and divide this side by 2, and once again, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So we're going to divide by 2 over here. Now 2 divided by 2 gives us 1x, and then we have 8 divided by 2, which is going to be 4. So now we know x equals 4. But remember, in math, we must always check our work. So we're going to take that 4, and we're going to do what's called plugging it back into the equation. So we're going to go ahead and write our new equation with the 4 in it. And we're going to check and see, does that side equal that side? So 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4, does it equal 12? Well, 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 equals 12. So our equation checks out. Our equation is true. Therefore, we know our answer is x equals 4. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of our math madness.